Hi, my name's Stephanie Risley, and I'm a hypnotherapist. I do past life regressions. I help people with anxiety disorders, phobias, stopping smoking, and actually a whole lot range of self-destructive behaviors. I trained with the wonderful Dr. Brian Weiss about 10 years ago, and I've been doing this work for now a very long time. I come to this work through a sort of a back door. My husband died in my arms and came back to me and from the in-between, and I wrote a book about that, my experience. It's called Love from Both Sides, a true story of soul survival and sacred sexuality. And it tells the story of soulmates who actually, that would be my husband and myself, who actually did have a very specific purpose. And it's how soulmates, you can meet a soulmate and then have them sort of not step up to the plate, and that's the story of that book. But I help a lot of people with their soulmate problems, people who wonder why they are with the relationship they're with, why they are doing self-destructive behaviors, get them back. And sometimes it's coming from this lifetime, and I lead you down into hypnosis, a deep state. Sometimes it's coming from a past life regression. And doing past life regression gives you perspective. My goal with the work is to plug you into your soul power, let you see, experience, understand that this life makes a difference, that you have a purpose. And the purpose is to be the happiest and the most profoundly joyful person you can be. So if you'd like to do that, call me, 323-933-4377, and let me help you. Thanks.